The June solstice, also known as the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere and the winter solstice in the southern hemisphere, is an astronomical event that occurs twice a year. It marks the moment when one of the Earth's poles has its maximum tilt towards the sun. Specifically, during the June solstice, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun at its maximum angle, resulting in the longest day and the shortest night of the year for that hemisphere. In contrast, the southern hemisphere experiences its shortest day and longest night of the year. The exact date of the June solstice varies slightly each year, but generally falls between June 20th and June 22nd. It's an important event in many cultures and is often associated with various celebrations, festivals, and traditions around the world. Here are some examples of how this event is observed and celebrated. Stonehenge Summer Solstice Gathering, England. Thousands of people gather at the ancient Stonehenge Monument in Wiltshire, England, to witness the sunrise on the day of the summer solstice. It is a spiritual and festive occasion with people singing, dancing, and welcoming the summer season. Inti Raymi, Peru. In Peru, the Inca festival of Inti Raymi is celebrated on the day of the June solstice. It was a major religious ceremony in Inca times, honoring the sun god Inti. The modern version of Inti Raymi takes place in Cusco, where participants dress in traditional costumes and reenact ancient rituals. Midsummer, Scandinavian countries. Midsummer is a significant celebration in Scandinavian countries such as Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and Finland. It is a festive occasion marked by bonfires, dancing around maypoles, singing traditional songs, and feasting on traditional foods. The festivities often continue throughout the night since it is the shortest night of the year. The Day of Private Reflection, Australia. The Australian Capital Territory in Australia observes the Day of Private Reflection on the day of the winter solstice, which occurs in June. It is a public holiday dedicated to acknowledging the stolen generations and reflecting on the impact of government policies on Indigenous Australians. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and there are numerous other cultural and regional traditions associated with the June solstice. The specific customs and festivities can vary widely depending on the location and the cultural heritage of the people celebrating. Happy